In a world where architecture continually evolves, some designs manage to feel both innovative and enduring. Today, we step into a tiny home crafted with bold architectural vision, rooted in rustic charm and shaped by modern sensibilities. This is more than a small house. It's a retreat that redefines how space, style, and soul can coexist harmoniously. Every element of this home begins with a profound appreciation for nature. Weathered textures, organic materials, and cozy wood tones create a grounded, familiar feeling. Yet, nothing here feels outdated or overly nostalgic. Instead, the rustic features serve as a solid foundation on which contemporary ideas can shine, giving the home a timeless personality. Boldness in architecture doesn't always mean large scale. It means thoughtful intention. This home's design explores lines, symmetry, and material contrasts in a way that feels daring for its size. From its sharply defined roof profile to its sculpted window placements, each detail challenges the boundaries of what a tiny home can express visually and functionally. As you approach the entryway, you're greeted by an inviting blend of rustic comfort and modern crispness. The door, framed by textured wood and accented with subtle metal finishes, creates an entrance that communicates both strength and softness. It's here that the experience of tiny but timeless truly begins, setting the tone for everything inside. Inside, the living area showcases the heart of the home's design philosophy. Every inch is optimized for comfort and beauty, with custom-built furniture, layered materials, and natural light that expands the room visually. Despite its modest footprint, the layout feels open and connected, proving that great design isn't measured in square meters, but in experience. Large windows and strategically placed skylights allow the home to breathe with the rhythm of the day. Sunlight spills across beams and textures, revealing new details as the hours pass. The illumination here is not accidental. It's an architectural tool. Light shapes mood, highlights craftsmanship, and gives the small space a sense of grandeur. The kitchen embraces rustic textures while incorporating the efficiency of modern design. Hardwood countertops, matte cabinets, and smart storage solutions create a space that feels warm yet highly functional. With every surface designed to support daily life, this kitchen captures the essence of small space luxury: intentional, practical, and deeply inviting. The loft above serves as a serene retreat, offering privacy without closing off the vertical openness of the home. Soft lighting, low-profile furnishings, and carefully chosen materials create a restful atmosphere. Despite its simplicity, the loft exudes a sense of elevated comfort, literally and figuratively, balancing minimalism with rustic warmth. This tiny rustic retreat extends its influence outdoors through a thoughtfully designed deck and natural landscaping. The transition between interior and exterior feels seamless, encouraging you to step outside, breathe deeply, and connect with your surroundings. It's a reminder that tiny living isn't just about reducing space, it's about expanding lifestyle possibilities. In the end, this tiny home proves that architectural vision has no size limits. With its rustic charm, bold modern touches, and careful curation of materials and light, it stands as a timeless retreat for those who seek meaning in every detail. Tiny in footprint yet vast in character, this is a home built not just to be lived in, but to be cherished.